Hello, my name is Craig DeLarge, and I'm with the Digital Mental Health Project, where we develop educational programs that enable a responsible adoption of digital technology to achieve healthy stress levels. Today, I want to tell you a personal stress tech story. Managing my energy levels is an important part of my stress coping regimen, and I use blue light lenses like what you see here to help me with this. I find that especially in the fall and when experiencing jet lag from international travel, I have terrible lags in energy. In my quest to reduce this effect, I use blue light technology, which stimulates my retina through blue light that's transmitted from these panels into my eyes and which then stimulates my brain and brain chemistry. I found that using these 20 minutes daily recalibrates my circadian rhythm and helps my perception of greater energy. Some might say that there's a certain placebo effect here, but I appreciate the fact that when I use them, I feel better and I feel more energized. I hope that you too can find appropriate technologies which allow you to more consistently achieve a healthy stress level. Here at the project, we have webinars and workshops that can help you with this. Reach to us if you have an interest in learning more. And by the way, we receive no compensation from any of the manufacturers of these solutions. Be well, stay healthy.